Hello friend, this is from Kavian Machinery Technology Company China. Here it is a new finished 2 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for our Serbia client, our old client. For this mixer, it is the whole mixer we make it explosion-proof type, including the motors and the electricity parts, as well as the cables. And it is used to mix the material Hexogen, high viscous granule type material. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer connected directly to support the strong power. And the right part is a mixing chamber. We make a material contact part stainless steel and mirror polish. Also equipped the jacket. We can see that at the back side of the mixer, we equipped a heating and cooling combination temperature control unit, connected wire pipes with the jacket to achieve heating or cooling. On the left part is a remote control cabinet with 60 meters long explosion-proof cables to achieve a remote control of the mixer. Let's take one to see it. The yellow one is the buffer tank connected with a vacuum pump and the top lid to achieve the vacuum function. For the material discharging period, we equipped a hand wheel reducer to make the cylinder tilting after material mixed for discharging. This is a temperature controller, also explosion-proof type. Remote cabinet, the main cabinet. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. I must relieve both the emergency stop button. This is the main cabinet. We focus on the panel, inverter panel, voltmeter and meter, temperature display for the material and the jacket. Speed control. After set, the shaft speed would be displayed on the inverter screen. Indicator for the light on the top lid. And this is a double Sigma blades direction forward, reverse, stop. Vacuum pump on, stop. Emergency stop button. Okay, let's focus on the remote cabinet. This is the speed display for the shaft, temperature for the jacket, temperature. Inside the material, temperature, voltmeter and meter, emergency stop button for the light, indicator, speed control, speed set, direction, Sigma blades forward, reverse, stop, vacuum pump on and stop. Okay, now I start it. We can control the speed here, as well as this part. Both can control it. Now the blades are rotating in the forward direction. We make the test the max speed 42. No problem. Stop it and we test the reverse direction. This time via remote cabinet. Now blades are rotating in reverse direction. Speed control. Both workable. Okay. Stop it and make it forward again. This time I would like to introduce our safety protection system. It is regarding the sensors on the back side Once the top lid opened without any operation on the cabinet, both cabinet, the mixer will stop work. Like this, I opened it, mixer stop. However, even in this situation, I can also drive it, keep my finger on the forward or reverse button continuously to make it jogging. This is, we call it in-tune switch function. Like this, forward and reverse. Okay, now it works, reverse. Once remove finger, it not work, stop. This is convenient for the maintenance and cleaning of the mixer. The same principle for the remote cabinet part. Okay, both work. So this is simple introduction and the basic mixing function and the safety protection function test for the new finished 2 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for Serbia client. Next video, I would like to make a test for the vacuum performance of it. This is from Hexogen Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.